Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Hope you all understand last day's all class and you completed your all works. Those who didn't complete it today itself. How many of you completed your works? Most of you completed. Those who didn't complete it today itself. Okay. Don't worry, take your own time and complete all the works. What all things I given at last day? What all works I told you to do? Notebook works I given, then workbook works are there, and some keywords to study. Correct? Yes, that all things you just complete. And what all things we studied last day? Yes, about family relations. Who are the people in your home? Yes, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, cousins, siblings, you, etc. Okay, good. All of you studied. Then next we studied different type of families. What are the different type of families? A small family or nuclear family, big family or joint family. Then last we studied one more family. What is that? Yes, single parent family. Okay. Next, we can study about why is a family important. Family is important. Next topic is family is important. Family is important. See, we already told last day family is important because the most important reason is what? Yes, it gives us love and care. Family gives us love and care. Okay, but again we are going to study what are the different works or what are the different tasks in the family and who is doing all these works. That everything we are going to study now. All of you understand? Okay, listen here. First I will write some works that done in the family. Before that, may I ask you one thing? See, in your family, with whom do you like to spend your time more? In your family, with whom do you like to spend your time? Most of them are telling my father and mother. Yes, grandmother and grandfather. Then younger brothers. Okay. You, most of you likes to spend your time with your grandparents, your parents and your brother or sister or your cousins. Okay. But may I tell you about me? When I am a child, then at that time I would like to spend more time with my grandparents. What is the reason? No? They are always telling about the many stories. They are always playing with me and they are helping me to do my works. That's why I like always to spend my time with my grandparents. Okay. See, I think most of you also like to spend your time with your grandparents because they are helping us to do our works and they are always with us. Correct, no? They are always with us because they love us very much because we are their grandchildren. So they like us very much. So here first we are going to study what are the works are in a house and who are the people doing these works in the home. Okay, but first you just take your notebook and you completed all the works in the first portion. Then this is the next second portion in the chapter and first write family is important. Then after that start to draw a column. then divide into 2. Then next in that column you need to write things done to take care of family. First you need to write things done to take care of family. Then next column you can write who can do it. Who can do it. Who can do it. Then first you just write here, first write what are the works or tasks done in or things done in the family to take care of the family. Here first cook food. First thing I wrote cook food. Second one go to market. Third one water plants. Okay. Then like this many works are there in the home that we are doing to take care of a family. So what you want to do means these 3 we can take as an example. Then after that you need to complete 10 more tasks or yes, 10 more tasks you just do in the notebook, and who is doing that also. Here you just tell me cooking food, cook food. Who is cooking food in your family? Yes, mother and sometimes grandmother also, correct? Yes, mother and grandmother. Then go to market. Who is going to market? Mostly it is our father. Correct. So father. Then next one water plants. Who is doing? Yes, you are the person, those who are doing this watering plants, helping to clean the car and a bike in the home. Then sometimes you are also going with your father to to the market to buy things, or sometimes you are in near to the home means some of you also will go and buy the things, correct? No? Okay. Water plants. Children, we can write children. Okay, so grandfather and grandmother, mother, father, all are doing different works in our family, correct? So may I ask you something, that what is the work your father doing in your home? How many works are there? No, see, first they are sometimes they are cleaning the car, bike, that all things. Then they are going out to buy the things from the market. Then third they are the people, many of the home that men are the people, those who are going out to work and earn money to buy the food and other things, correct? All of you understood? Then so what you want to do means after writing family is important in your notebook, then after that just make 2 columns and complete these activities. What are? Cook food, who is doing? Mother and grandmother. Go to market, father. Water plants, children. Cleaning the home, children and mother. Then, or we can say all the people. Everyone should come clean their own rooms in the home. Then next what we said, the people no, the work. What work we told next? Yes, what? That the people, who is the person who is going outside and earn money to get food, that everything is very important. So you just write what are the tasks to take care of a family and who are the people doing that. Understood all of you? Okay. Next, can you tell me how the people in the family helping each other? We first itself we told you family is very important because the people in the family is sharing their love and care with each other, that we already told. Then tell me, how can family members help each other at home? Yes, what they can do. See, we can share the work at home so that everyone is doing the work, means we will get more time to spend with each other, correct? All the family members are doing their works in correct and proper time, then we will get more time to spend with each other, and we can sit together and do many other works or things also. And if any you can sit together and eat dinner, and you can water the plants with your grandparents, you can help your mother to clean the home. So these all works you can also do in your home. Okay, then next you need to you just tell me, is there any work that is more than important of other work? Is there any work that is more important than other works? Did you understand the question? See, whose work is more important in our house? That I am asking. See, we already told all the people in our family is doing different works. So, you just check it, whose work is more important in a family. What is your opinion? No. See, there is no importance for any work in a family. Each people is doing their own work, and all the works are important in a family. See, you just think that if your brother is not ready to clean his room, for a week or for a month he is not at all cleaning his room, means what is the condition of the room? That room will be very dirty and unclean. The same way you just think that the person those who is going out to get money from the money from outside, he is not at all ready to go for the job, then what we will do? We will not get money to earn the food. Understood all of you? So we cannot say anything about which work is important in our home. Okay, next we can study what are the important traditions in a family. Next topic we can study what are the important traditions in a family. Traditions in a family. See, do you hear this word tradition anytime? No, first time you are hearing this word tradition, I think. See, so this is an important word. You need to study the spellings also. Tradition, Tradition. Tradition. What is tradition? See, I will give an example. In my home, we are going to the temple in any one's or every family member's birthday. We are going to temple every family member's birthday, on every family member's birthday. Then you just think that every year how many people are? Yes, 4 people are there in my home. 4 people's birthday we are going to temple. Every year we are doing the same thing. Every birthday we are going to the temple and praying to the God. The same way, another one thing I will say, the people, those who are celebrating Deepavali, they are in every year they are decorating their house with lights. In Deepavali day, the people or Hindu, mostly the Hindu people, they are decorating their house with a full of lights. Okay. Do you understand anything? No. See, listen. Here, a tradition is a special thing done by the families, or special thing followed by the families in every year or every time. The tradition is a special thing done by or followed by the people in a family. See, I told we, the people of my family, are going to the temple on every family member's birthday. Then another one I told you, that the people, mostly the Hindu people, they are decorating their home with full of light in which day? Deepavali day. Like that, there are different type of special things are done by each family. Some of the families you can see in films and all. Some of the families, these people, they are making big flower pattern in front of their house. Not flower carpet. Flower carpet we are making an for Onam celebration, but this is flower pattern. Every day morning, the eldest one or the girls or ladies in the family, they will bath, and after that they will using some color powders, and they are making big flower patterns in front of their home. That is known as Rangoli. That is known as Rangoli tradition. The main one we can see is Rangoli. Rangoli is the color patterns, color or flower patterns that people are making in front of their home in the morning. Mostly it was done by, or it is doing by the ladies or girls. Understood all of you? It is a tradition. Then you just tell me, I told you tradition is a special thing, it is followed by the people in a family. Tradition is a special thing followed by the people in a family. See, then how we are getting this tradition? From where we are getting this tradition? Yes, we are getting this tradition from our parents. Children are getting all the traditions that is followed in the family from their parents, and the parents from where they are getting? Yes, parents are getting it from their parents, and their parents are getting from their parents. Like that, this tradition is followed by parents to children, then that again to the next generation. So that's why these special things, a special thing is done from generation to generation. It is known as what? Tradition. Understood all of you? Then next, then you just tell me, if you start a new practice in your family, how can you make it as a tradition? If you start a new practice in your family, how can you make it as a tradition? Can you you just think about that and tell me the answer? Yes, what you can do in your generation, you start a special things, or you start a new practice in your family. Then after that, for your children, you can tell about this practice, and we are doing like this. So in next you need to do this, and you, what you will do, you will teach that practice to your children, and it become a tradition. Understand all of you? Okay, so here today we studied about what are the tasks done in a home, and who are the people doing these all tasks, and why the family is important. And next we studied about the traditions in the family, and these all things you want to complete in your workbook also. I will show you your workbook, what work you want to do here. page number 11, correct? No? Yes, page number 9 and 10 you already completed. So page number 11, family is important. The same way you need to write the date here. Then question I will read, you just think about the answer and complete here. Who in your family would you go to? Here given some task. For completing that task, to whom you will share this, okay, or to who help you in your family to do the task. First question, when you want to know about your parents' childhood stories, when you want to know your parents' childhood stories, to whom you will ask, to whom you will ask. Then you can write the answer here. Then to whom you will ask when you want to know the parents' story, childhood stories. Yes, your grandparents, they know what all naughty works your parents done. So what you will ask to your grandparents. So you can write the first answer, grandparents. Then second question is, when you need something from the market, when you need something from the market, where you will go, to whom you will ask, your father or mother, correct? Yes, your father or mother. You can write here to whom you are asking, that you just think about and write, okay. Sometimes you are telling to your elder brother, means you can write your elder brother. Then third question, when you are hungry, when you are hungry, you will ask the food to your mother or grandmother. Most of you will ask your mother. Then next question, write 2 ways in which you can share work at home. Any 2 ways that you are sharing the works in your home, that you can write, example, watering plants, or helping your father to clean the car. Like that, many things are there that you are doing in your home, that you can write. Next one, choose a family member, write his or her name, and write one important thing he or she is doing. See, you just select one of your family member and write his or her name here, and what work she or he is doing. That also you can write in the book. Then next page, also having work tradition in the family. It is very easy to do. First you can see one box here. You just draw a thing that you are using for celebrating your birthday. Any one thing that you are using for celebrating your birthday. No, the second work is discuss the traditions shown and tick the traditions that you know about. You just check the picture and which all picture are related with your house tradition, or which all pictures you, or which all these traditions you can understand, or you can know, that you just tick. Okay, here finish our this today's class. So thank you everyone, and hope you all understand my today's class also. If you have any doubt, you just contact with me. Thank you.